that people are crazy as fuck and they literally have no boundaries is just insane. Because why would you think it would be okay to video me while I'm naked on the table with my eyes closed? Like, bitch, I feel like I just got raped or some shit. Like, I feel violated. Like, no, I've never had that in my entire life. Like, you know when you videoing something and your phone is on loud and it goes like click click, like that double click? That's what I heard. When I open my eyes, I see this phone in my face. I'm like, I know you fucking lying.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe once you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of me upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, people, we have a whole heap to discuss in this one, so it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. Now, Dancehall Princess Shenseea is coming under heavy fire, and the fans them is calling her one big fat liar, because all of a sudden after Cardi B came out and said, you know, the security guard was filming her when she was giving, you know, birth with her first child. You see my people putting out the comment section where think about that. Them say all of a sudden Shenseea come out with that story and no. And not sooner, because, you know, if you felt that violated, the people them say enough to feel you know what. You should have really put this Masora on blast and company and warn other females and other clients of the violation, you see me. But you did not. So that's why they must say she just like copy Cardi B with some things and things, no, to stay relevant. Cause you know Cardi B, she's pregnant right now. Pick up yourself, Cardi B, for keeping all of her seedlings, and you know she gone upon number 4 with new boyfriend Stefan Diggs. You see my people, it's definitely a good look in my book. But nevertheless, let's go on to the next. Cause you know that Lisa Hyper is happy that her ex, Vybz Kartel, and her husband, you know who, Dexta Daps, them link up what they in a matter. You see my people.
No, we are. I just passed through here. I remember that. I support me here. Oh, fuck. Congratulations again. Respect another part. Congratulations again for family. You hear that? Greatness. That is the greatness. Never stop saying that. My respect. Never stop saying that. My respect. Never stop saying that. Yeah, man. You know, we don't want to say nothing more. You turn off the camera.
Yeah, Europe, them link up. You see me, so it's definitely a good look, people, cause it look like, say, them think they I work for Lisa, you know, cause she calm and hey, as you can see, she was laughing after we made the post that, you know, Lisa Hyper, you know, 2 man them, 2 celebrity man them, 2 top than them, you know, the music business, his best friends. Yeah, she's laughing, and so should you. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. No, the next trending topic, let me say, Jamaica have to do with Akimar Rose situation. As you know, he succeeded in somewhat rebranding himself, per se, because everybody is still remember the Snowman incident. But nevertheless, he is definitely doing good out here, out of the series. You know what I mean? And you know, a lot of people is siding with the man. You see me? So right now, Rosealee at this of Ivany and all type of people who wants to chastise her about Jake and all of these things. You see my peeps.
Out the road for somebody else. But that I want to talk about. You know what I talk about AKEEM? Because me AKEEM not there. Me AKEEM not there. You know what I talk about AKEEM? Oh, we got here. I don't want to take up a problem on the nice, sweet, innocent youth for the one who come trace me. So I leave him out tight at all cause. Figure I thought sorry for black you. And Drake's we are talking about how we get here so. Since they always people always want to call you, tell you this and tell. And you want to play with him all rich or so. And some of the big pussy girl in Paya chat. I show me breathe for Drake's I pick them there say no. I show me breathe for Drake's I pick them there say no. Me I tell them I show me breathe for Drake's I have me youth them. I might youth them at me there, you know, because I never pick them already, you know. Yeah, that's what I say, I'm gone already because there's things in life that drains my entire energy. It drains me. And when I feel like so sometimes it gone, it not gone. It not gone. It not gone. It just flip. So it always come back, come at me. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I start overthink. I remember upon it always come back, come at me. It not leave me, not it always come back, come at me. There are things that I try to avoid it. I tell myself, okay, them over this, we not over shit. It always come back, come at me when I sit down and think. It's like something where aunt me. Because Jakes don't care about me, Jakes don't even love me. Jakes only care about himself and him ego. He don't care about me. So that's some of the big. What did she tell Jakes? Say Jakes care about me? The blood clot me I tell Jakes. Say Jakes care about me? Eh? Some look a big pussy girl pan yeah. Some look a suckled in a box. What she tell Jakes say? Eh? Wicked Ivany, come over one class in a girl. You are where we tell Jakes blood clot. Say Jakes give a fuck about me. You know what the problem? I tell you someone pump social media upon the problem on our evil. I the only reason why I still come here, come here some nice people who want to see me. I will come show me to give. You say me never have that money come back here, you know, cause I evil pan here. Flip the switch up, I want to suck cocky blood clot pan this car. When I get my head can I get JT, you know. Chat me when I talk about AKEEM. Self me I talk about. You know, someone now wicked. Now wicked. What you tell Jake say? Ivany, me never come talk to Jake have the money I buy fuck. Where do laugh off me? So you say. You and the whole of them. What the fuck me ever tell Jake's blood clot say? You just a whole blood clot so I'm gonna fuck blood clot girl? Eh? When I tell blood clot Jake say? Jake's beat me and do me all of the blood clot things them. Beat me and do me all of the blood clot. See my fingernail broke? See there? Broke. See there? Broke. See there? You see me cry? Broke. That one I broke too. See there? Broke. You can't make it lick up because lick up it I got broke my original fingernail. Come here and grab up in a week. We are tell me say Jake's love me. You can't love somebody every minute. We are beat and grab up. And I grab them and beat them. And cut them up. And the things them. All my hours are trying to hit the block and I don't like the truth. 99% of the world full of lies, so they don't like the blood clot truth. That's why someone don't like me. And the truth you don't like. Me a blood clot man beat me like dog and angry. Man tell me call me the name them. Call me all of the name the way you know man class woman and call them. I told me I have youth, my blood clot there. I think I told she have her money, she can leave now. Me have me youth them. And my youth them make me there. I told me no more secure summer for them coming. I must live long. Hey. And a man make me there, so I told me have my youth them. And I say me a secure summer for them coming. I must there for long. So I'm dead and a rotten in the grave. I'm a mother one this. And that's why I'm there. Fuck, hey, be step up someone, you know. I want someone to walk far from me. You know, a nice person, you know. I may have demons, I may walk far from me. Walk far from me. Alright. Me have a right, boo. Me have the charger, babes. One who walk far from me. Me not nice, you know. Walk far from me. Not look nice, this walk far from me. One blood clot thing. I promise them that. And them come out of me, I'm in a hospital. I'm looking at them here, I'm promise them with my mind, my heart and my soul. And now I left on nowhere. And I told me have them at me there. Me a girl can't take my bank and live up for me, you know. So I was she's still there, she's still suck no man and ask me nothing. I can't live up for me, so just not look upon them and leave. I don't know where me there, me hide. I told me have them and me there. I mean I secure something for them. I mean I say, you have them, you know. I been through life when you live at your family house or your parent. And you live somewhere where them no want you, them live. When I live out for myself, I don't want it for my youth them. When the structure belongs to your mother. When the structure of something belongs to your mother. But the tone and I'm put yourself over it. The structure of something belongs to your mother want this. You can't tell an individual mama want this. You have your partner, go home, you have your yard. Hey girl, me have my yard. Boy, me have my yard. That's why I'm there them the blood clot privilege me want to give Shannon bar. You there with a boy, I got me have my yard. No, go home. I can leave. Okay, fine. God, I'm a yard. No question me. Me no want to get on the boy question me upon this blood clot. Me have me youth there, but that's why I'm there. Me no want Jakes, or Jakes no want me. Jakes is an ego man, him think about fuck. You him a war fuck. You him cuss fuck, appear fuck. You like me some pussy. You like me some pussy. You like me some pussy. The amount of fuck with me and Jakes fuck and blood clot war and fuck a war. What open doors to me and AKEEM in the church? Is it you? You don't want to say that. Are your ways when me can see a next man out the road and even want them having fucking intention in my mind for them? Cause how me think them and make me feel. You cause it. If you that be a blood clot man of love to me, AKEEM could over here try and me now look. Why you not tell yourself that? Me a throw you on the boss. If you would be a man will love me unconditionally since me from me at 20, I know me at 32. AKEEM not even could have blood clot them say I to me. Come and say hello, so I'm a little man, you know. I mean, I don't want that. Him would even dare try to say no words to me. If you buy me a sweetie, you gotta live with that man, and then there's a problem. But you want my 40 blood clot door. Anybody can come say hi. I'm feeling like some type of way I'm gone. Mind gone, body gone, everything gone. You open the door them. You open them, sir. You know like here that you open the door them. But I always sit down and tell a day in there out say, if you tell me say me I fuck somebody, you is the one that opened that fucking door. That you was still there. Me can still the in a body, I left you a long time in my mind. Jakes are the worst blood clot, man. Me there with my life. You only think about yourself and your feelings. How you feel? How about I feel how I feel and how I tell you that all the time. Bar, I don't want good time. Bar is not a good time. Sir, come back. How about how I feel? I never saw someone on a big pussy guy say, but Ray auntie. How about how I feel? Any blood clot you see you do with a man for 10, 15 years and you can't see a boy out the road and them say something and it melt your heart is a sign. That means a man in your own a blood clot house where you live, it can't melt your heart. Once was Jake's a boy with me the love. Till me fool, blind and can't see. No me can never stand him. Everything when him do irritates me, every sound he make it irritate me blood clot. Yeah. Can you do the things that break the trust and the bond? You know, see what you do. We argue over the least pin. We ever argue. Beating, pantapa beating, sleepless night, pantapa sleepless night. Nag, pantapa, nag, pantapa, nag, pantapa, nag, pantapa, nag. I don't know, someone ever asked me, I'm a bumbo clap. I feel like I'm gonna run up in a blood clot, but I pies myself so I feel. But you may have split personality that pill will come out of me. But if me was a one whole human being dead already. Come on, like the pressure is unbearable, no pressure I'm in a blood clot. Someone blood clot, man. Me have to mash up all things in here. Mash up them blood clot. I say if I just such around me lick out the blood clot glass. And sometimes the pressure does feel like more mad, crazy, and just mash up. Like the place of fire. Stab up jokes and stop the pit of them and just everything just done and over with.
Yeah, I put in the comment section where you think about that. I'm not gonna lie, you know, Rose. If you did want body out of it, you should have take it. Yeah, girl, style. You see my answer? Yeah, no let no boy baby up around you, so like no look to picnic. Come pinch up on your cheek. And not your bottom cheek, you see me? You know what I mean? When they might give you chops, that's when you shove tongue. Don't hear him more, you see me, my people? Anyway, we're not gonna longer, this not longer, you know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.